Hey guys, it's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash day featuring black owned businesses or black found businesses, because low-key y'all getting on my nerves with all this. They sold their company to this, so they're not black owned anymore. And yeah, it's too much that goes on in the business world for me to keep up on who's still black owned businesses or not. So as long as it was black found, that's all I really care about, because I'm pretty sure they still get their coins off of that business. I'm pretty sure they ain't just hand their business over and be like, here, I don't want nothing to do with this business no more, it's all yours, you keep it, you control it. I highly doubt that. So I'm pretty sure they still get coins off of their business that they founded and that they created. And I'm pretty sure they still have a big say-so and a big part of their own business. So therefore, as long as it was black found, even black owned, still, it's going to be featured in this video. So I just want to get that across before you guys say,
that's not black owned anymore.
I don't care, it was black found. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. First, we're starting off with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. It's the Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with Aloe. It says it's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, and no artificial colors. This is what it's looking like. Now, this is my second time filming this video, so this is not a one-time usage for me because I did not use that much. A little does go a long way, so it didn't take much for it to foam up in my head. It's a pretty good shampoo. It has like a faint smell of roses or flowers, whatever. Not too strong because I cannot stand a rosy, I can't stand flowery smells or flowery scents. I'm not a big fan of those type of scents, so it's not too bothersome. And that's coming from a person that don't like those type of flowery scents. But ooh, I did not close this and it just dripped on me. I seen this in Walmart. I skipped it the first time, but Jayla Mitchell posted a video up here, Natural Rain on YouTube. She posted a video and she said it was good, so she finally convinced me to get it, and I got it, and it is pretty good. And you could somewhat finger detangle your hair with it, but I'm not a fan of detangling my hair with shampoos in my hair, so yeah, I'm not going to do that. But it is possible. It is moisturizing enough to do that. All in all, it's a good shampoo. On the bottle it says,
reimagine your wash day with our water to foam shampoo made with aloe. Our liquid micellar technology acts like a magnet to attract and lift away buildup for a thorough scalp and hair cleanse without leaving hair feeling stripped. The targeted liquid formula provides easy scalp access as it instantly flows through hair and transforms into gentle foam lather without harsh friction. It effortlessly works throughout, minimizing tangles, and quickly rinses clean so there's no added weight from residue left behind. After one wash, scalp and hair feel clean and hair feels soft and moisturized. One wash changes everything.
So yeah, all in all, this is a good shampoo. And yeah, oh yeah, this is my second time filming this video. One, because I broke my tripod and I had to order another one, and two, I tried to film a video without a tripod and it was a no-go for me. The video quality seemed so terrible and I didn't like it. I was not flowing with it because I was supposed to post Wednesday, but as I was editing the video, I was like, I'm not posting this. The quality was terrible and I just couldn't vibe with the video, so I was just like, whatever, I'll just wait. And I use 3 of the products that I used in my last video also. I really wasn't vibing with, so I was like, I don't really want to do a video dedicated to black owned businesses, and I ain't really like the products. I like the brands, but I didn't like those products. I may try to use them again, but I wasn't vibing with them in that video. Now for my deep conditioner, I used the Shea Moisture's Moringa and Avocado with Kale Matcha and Green Algae Power Greens Reconstructor.
The Sweet Metal Greens. It says unreveal your hair's full beauty potential. Our ultra rich formula infuses hair fibers with intense moisture to help minimize breakage and strengthen weakened strands. Instantly smooths rough cuticles for frizz-free styling. Specially formulated with fair trade shea butter and a power blend of moringa, avocado, kale matcha, and green algae. This nourishing formula leaves hair looking its healthiest with up to 7 times more moisture when used as the 4th step in the 4-step power regimen.
This conditioner, as soon as it touched my hair was just slip. It did do what it say on the bottle, like it smoothed the cuticles and stuff, because as soon as this touched my hair, my strands were instantly soft. The slip was there and the moisture was there, but it wasn't all the way there. But all in all, it is a good deep conditioner. It's pretty bomb. It's a good conditioner. The slip was there, the moisture was there, but it wasn't there. You know what I'm saying? For my leave-in, I used the Curls Poppin' Pineapple Collection So Smooth Vitamin C Leave-In Conditioner. And by the way, I wanted to incorporate as many different businesses in this video, so I'm not using the same businesses in the same category. You guys probably noticed that by now, but I just wanted to mention it in case you didn't. It's formulated with vitamin A, B1, B6, C for shiny, longer, thick, and healthier curls, enhances hair growth, and increases sebum production and decreases hair loss. Be fly, not dry. Refresh, condition, and soften your curls every time you style with So Smooth Vitamin C Leave-In Conditioner. Alrighty, that conditioner is a good leave-in conditioner. If you apply it on like somewhat damp hair, I don't recommend that. As you guys see, I went in with the spray bottle to re-wet my hair so the leave-in conditioner could penetrate my hair strands a little bit more better, because when I first applied it, I was like, I didn't really like it. I wasn't really feeling it. But as soon as I sprayed some water on there, it kind of activated the product, and it was like, bam, the moisture was just there. So all in all, it's a good conditioner. It's a good conditioner, but I still can't find nothing to top my Eden Body's Work leave-in conditioner. That conditioner is... that's my ride or die conditioner. I don't think nothing gonna replace that. For my styling cream, I went in with Design Essentials Almond Avocado Curling Cream. It says Design Essentials Natural Almond Avocado Curling Cream is a multi-purpose style that softens, moisturizes, and defines curls while adding definition and shine. No parabens, no paraffin, and no mineral oils. I believe this do contain silicones though. I believe that product do contain silicones, but I don't care. I'm a big fan of Design Essentials. I know they haven't really made a debut on my channel yet, but they will soon. I have a lot of products that I don't really show on my channel, but I actually really like. I haven't really found the correct video for them, but I will soon. That on top of that leave-in conditioner, it just... those two do pair well together. I didn't even do the little flake test on the back of my hands beforehand. I don't know why I didn't think of it, but it don't look like they will flake. They marry well together. So, but that curling cream, it's a bomb curling cream. I've been using it for a minute now, and I like it. It's a good curling cream. It's moisturizing. I forgot to mention one thing, but do you guys see how everything easily slipped into my hair strands? Like, you don't see any white residue, and the one you see now, it'll easily seep into my hair strands. You'll see in a video later on. But I just wanted to come back and tell you guys that, and that I'm doing the twist out. I will come back either later on today, because I am going to sit under a dryer because I got somewhere to go like always, and let this dry. So I may come back either later on today, tonight, or tomorrow, depending on my mood. But for y'all, it'll be the next clip. So alrighty, you guys, I'm back. It's the same day. I had to hurry up and blow dry my hair, and I have to hurry up and get ready also. We're just gonna pray to God that they're all pretty dry. And yeah. Oh yeah, while I'm taking these down, I did want to mention that I've been trying to film this video for the longest, because initially I was going to do a get ready with me day, like makeup and hair, but it didn't go as planned, and I suck at talking. I'm not a good communicator or anything like that. I just can't talk. I'm kind of too shy. I tried to talk about how I feel with the Black Lives Matter movement because I didn't really post anything. And I like to soak things in before I post anything anyways. But I just didn't know what to post. I couldn't find a way to post it. So this video is basically gonna be like kind of my voice. I'm all for it. Of course, I'm Black, duh. But I just don't know how to speak on it, and I don't know how to speak on things in general. I'm the type of person that avoids conflict. These are the results real quick before I do any separating or fluffing. I'm just in disbelief that this is still happening in the world. I don't know. I just freeze up a lot. I don't be knowing what to say. I know exactly how I feel on the inside, but when I start to let it all out and talk it out, it's just impossible almost. Like, I don't know how to. So I just wanted to address that. I'm gonna take this Edge Control by Curls. I initially wanted a passion fruit one because that's my favorite one. I love the smell of that one. I could smell that all day. But Target only had the blueberry one, and I don't know where else to buy this stuff. Alrighty, you guys, that is my wash day with using Black on brands strictly. Wash and style day. That's a pretty good combination. My curls came out pretty good, if I say so myself, you know. This is the back. I got the habit of fluffing my hair out too much because I don't know. I just want bigger hair. So I have tendencies to, you know, fluff out my hair too much to the point where I don't really have that much curl definition. I try not to do it this time, but whatever. I'm gonna just embrace my little fro, okay? Hey, that's it for today's video, you guys. All the products, I got all positive things to say about the products. They were all popping. Good combination. I have no dislikes about any of them. Ooh. Anyway, that's it for today's video, you guys. Wednesdays and Saturdays are my new upload days, and it'll be in the description box down below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.